Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2015 Buick LaCrosse? In this guide, we will explore the fuse box diagram, its locations, and the functions of various fuses to help with troubleshooting electrical issues. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2015 Buick LaCrosse houses essential fuses and relays that protect critical systems like the engine, cooling fan, and lighting. It is designed for easy access and efficient troubleshooting of electrical components. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument fuse panel in the 2015 Buick LaCrosse controls power distribution to interior electrical components like the dashboard, infotainment system, and climate controls. It helps prevent electrical failures by safeguarding circuits with properly rated fuses.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.